Mastering the art of bleeding your car's brake system. Welcome to a step-by-step guide on bleeding your car's brake system. This essential maintenance task can help your brakes function more efficiently and enhance your vehicle's overall safety. Before we delve in, remember, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gears like gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from harmful brake fluid. Firstly, gather all necessary tools. This includes a wrench, a clear hose, a clear container, and fresh brake fluid. Make sure to purchase the correct brake fluid recommended for your car model. Start by locating the brake master cylinder under your vehicle's hood. It's typically near the driver's side firewall. This is where you'll add the fresh brake fluid. Remove the cap from the brake master cylinder. Take a look at the current brake fluid. If it's dark and cloudy, it's a good sign you need to bleed the system. Use a turkey baster to remove the old brake fluid from the master cylinder reservoir. Dispose of the old brake fluid properly, it's harmful to the environment. Now, pour fresh brake fluid into the master cylinder until it reaches the maximum level line. Replace the cap temporarily to keep contaminants out. Locate the bleeder screw on your car's brake caliper. This is usually behind the brake rotor. Attach one end of the clear tube to this screw, and place the other end in your clear container. Use your wrench to loosen the bleeder screw. As you do this, brake fluid will start to flow into your clear tube and into the container. Now, get inside your car and press the brake pedal slowly. Hold down the pedal for a few seconds, then release it slowly. This process forces out the air in your brake system. Ensure someone is watching the clear tube while you press the brake pedal. If they see bubbles in the fluid, it means there's still air in the brake system. Repeat the process until no more bubbles appear. Once there are no more bubbles, tighten the bleeder screw back. Remove the tube and clear container, making sure not to spill any brake fluid. Repeat this process with each wheel's brake system. Always start with the wheel farthest from the master cylinder and work your way closer. After bleeding each wheel, check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder again. If it's low, add more fluid until it reaches the maximum line. Replace the brake master cylinder cap. Wipe down any areas where brake fluid may have spilled to prevent damage to your vehicle. Check your brake pedal's firmness. If it feels firm and less spongy, the bleeding process has been successful. This process might seem daunting, but with patience and concentration, it's quite manageable. Remember, the safety and efficiency of your vehicle is worth every effort. In our next video, we'll cover more car maintenance tasks that you can perform at home, saving you time and money. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your car healthy, and it'll keep you safe on the road.